Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple, natural choices that can improve your life in powerful ways. Today's topic is something very common. Honey. You see it every day. You use it in tea. You add it to food. But most people see honey as just sweetness. In reality, it offers much more. Let's begin with one important point. Honey is a natural source of energy. It provides quick fuel for your body. This is why many people use it in the morning. It helps you start your day with more strength. Another important benefit is immunity. Honey contains natural compounds. These compounds support your defense system. They help your body respond to external stress. Then comes digestion. Honey may support your digestive process. It helps your system feel more balanced. Some people feel lighter after using it regularly. Another effect is related to the throat. Honey can soothe irritation. It creates a calming feeling. This is why it is often used during cough. Now let's talk about your skin. Honey contains antioxidants. These help protect your cells. They support a healthier appearance. Then comes your heart. Natural compounds in honey may support circulation. They help your system function better. Another important area is sleep. Honey may support relaxation. It helps your body prepare for rest. Many people feel calmer after consuming it. Then comes your brain. Honey provides steady energy. Your mind feels more active. Focus may improve. But here is something important. Honey is still a sugar. Even natural, it must be used carefully. Too much can create imbalance. So what is the right way? Moderation. Small amounts. Regular use. This creates balance. Another important point is quality. Natural honey is different from processed products. Always choose pure options, because your body responds better to natural sources. Now here is the truth. Honey is not a miracle. It will not change everything overnight, but it can support your system. It can become a small daily habit, a simple step toward better health. Because real change does not come from one big action. It comes from small actions repeated daily. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support helps us continue sharing useful content. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay natural, take care.